So if Voicemod has broken your microphone and your microphone input is now very low, this video should help you fix it. So sometimes when people download Clownfish and Voicemod, it messes with their mic and sometimes the microphone input goes very low. Now that's happened to me a couple of times, but the way I've fixed it is just by uninstalling Voicemod, but I've done it in a way where I reset my microphone back to its normal settings. So what you need to do is you need to make sure that you close Voicemod with the X, and then once you've done that, go into your taskbar and just make sure you right click on it and then click exit, so you completely exit out of Voicemod. Then go to your Windows icon down here, type in uninstall and just go and add and remove programs. Once you're here, you want to search for Voicemod, so we'll just type in Voicemod and then uninstall it. So just click uninstall here, and we should uninstall Voicemod from the computer. Make sure you click yes to any of these pop-ups. Do you want to also delete the Voicemod settings? Click yes and just wait for this to uninstall. So now Voicemod has been uninstalled and it's removed from your computer. You can now click OK. So now once it's uninstalled, we want to double check our sound settings. So go down here into the bottom right hand corner, right click on your speakers and open your sound settings. Then you can scroll down and here you should look at your microphone. So my microphone is the Rode NTS USB microphone, and we can just make sure that that's selected. If that is selected and your microphone is still low, go to sound control panel, then go to recording, and here where it says microphone, you just want to disable everything but your Rode microphone and just make sure that your Rode microphone or your default microphone is the default device. Once you've done that, right click on the microphone, go to properties, go to levels and just make sure that the microphone level is where it should be, whether that's 100% or wherever. After you've done all that, restart your computer and your microphone should be working again.